nominate a rapist to rap.
If there's somebody nominate person go rap for the soundtrack of this video, Idris Abdul Karim, no. You go put Jakataka inside.
I'll go for Vector.
Vector. No, mostly Vector.
I know who. Give me 5.
Who?
Hey, Zero swag back. No,
leave those people first of all. We get artists.
An artist.
Okay,
artists. So what you are saying is that.
So more fair check if we get anybody from artists.
Okay.
Idris Abdul Karim not go do the job.
No.
Blackface go spoil him.
No, that yeah, go go now.
Let me see.
Quality.
Quality! Lion King! Quality anyway. Welcome back on something nice. We get our usual. In fact, now our staff now in them.
Yes. Usual suspects, 3 musketeers. They know they go anywhere without one another.
Now staff, Judith, now she they handle our canteen.
No, we go write. We go ourselves go do something. We go put that thing where you just talk now. We go write something around it.
It's not like the ways right.
That's why I say one day go mad. He go crazy one day.
This is an in charge of security.
It's not my Moscows.
As of they low. So all the toilets, they clean all the. I saw my guy, my G. Alpha. You know what make me like these guys? This usual suspect. They always think.
No, me, I
something. If I ask Una now, waiting they grand again now. Una go tell me so they don't shoot another thing finish. You know they happen now. You know they are like.
You know it is very possible. This will be like saying that Vex bring them.
Okay.
They want to take over.
Wait now. We just watch Just Not Married. Wait till they plan again. Which one I don't know will never come outside.
Will they come back for Hell or High Waters?
Hell or High Water.
I don't know.
Now after Hell or High Water, they come. What do you want to work on? Heaven must go.
Yes.
So nothing counts too much.
Nothing counts.
After that one, we get Papa Sam.
Oh shit.
No, Papa Joe.
Papa Joe.
Papa Joe.
After Papa J.
Bleed through.
So all the singers, you don't, and people, you don't really get people who go sing inside this thing. Hey! Who go play inside this thing. All like this.
So now who be the people when they look for artists now? Forget say we na artists we only like show ourselves.
No. People will no.
People will know say we be artists then no. Because if one bust now.
Katim on the beat.
Easy be please drop the beat.
Go
on.
in.
Katim, give us those your normal flow. Where you don't drop there.
No, let's not. Don't push it too much, man. No.
More not show them a bit.
More not show them. Got time not to.
Don't unleash the dragon. You don't want to today.
Like just anything happen there. Just give them small.
Zagaza,
yeah. Hey, do that rap because they don't know. Say they rap. Tuka.
Nka sanga ko so sena do nka urwa wan bo hey abamo ado diembo akamo abasa manzo ya yanto mimbo ado talent me boba mo mimba ku mi ho zaga
Who can beat that? Now which artist can beat that?
We just maintain.
She can rap for 2 hours on the radio and collect money like Vector.
Yes.
And record label never come find her. Record label never come find her.
No, record label. Now we they pursue them. Jay-Z flash on yesterday now.
Even Rihanna, you don't know for you.
Then before yesterday, Jay-Z, you know say Jay-Z called Katim been they sleep that time.
Yes.
He called. Wait now. Wait, don't worry. Jay-Z come call me and not pick. Later, I can't try call him. Then he not come pick. He say he can't come back. Call me back.
Yes.
He said me call me back. He be in studio. He can't say me call. So I can't call him. Because they call him in real name.
You know, talk the other one where even when Rihanna call you, say that time we do remix of.
I don't forget.
Because she watch Walking in.
She watch our video Walking in with
I just like to show ourselves.
We don't like to show ourselves. If we begin the show ourselves.
I don't very normal to us.
Rihanna.
Yes.
Rihanna. We know her now.
Really?
See there her name. Rihanna. Okay, Chief from Port Harcourt. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How is you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Would they fine? Talk to us. Would they hear you?
Okay. Demola, good evening.
Demola.
Daula, good evening.
Who?
I'm talking to the model.
To the model.
I'm talking to the model.
Okay, oh, now don't worry. We go talk. If they hear you, Now, if they hear you, talk to them.
Evening.
All right, no wahala. Good night. Hey, from Port Harcourt, now they call Abi.
Okay.
Hey, don't worry, we understand. We know what is happening. Don't worry, the Lord is your strength.
Don't worry.
The Lord will meet you at the point of your needs.
We'll send some blatter to you.
Send blatter to you, if possible. But if I send some blatter, but see, I go fit down.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
No, Keshi.
No.
See, okay. See, I go meet you.
Sia is next to model.
His name, okay.
So Sia be funny.
Okay.
Don't worry, we know what's good.
We know what's going on. Now, back to... Sweetie, you laugh like witch. Like witch, we just joined.
You know say that you be our leader, so you know.
Una go soon do film for Winch, and she must to play him.
Or one G.
He don't already play Death now, so Death pass all those ones.
No, make sure say... No, if you do this, you look at it, be like say that's the pride.
This one get boyfriend. This one,
Death has to be a humble somebody.
No, my
You
brother.
must show swag, some swag.
Okay, we show swag. So Death not there. Death doesn't unroll like that, man.
No,
Yeah.
I'm a comfort. I'm take it down big
I'ma
time.
take it down.
Yeah.
Not what if you do. As you go there, back and say, no, not now. Go down now. You self, can you calm down?
Or do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
You want to get boyfriend?
Let's go and drink some.
Say, which one do you
One or
want?
two
Do you want a girl or do you want Sarah or Philly or do you want Derele? Which one do you want?
I'm thinking about it.
Tell us about Just Not Married again.
Well, it enters cinema tomorrow, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow.
They don't
Wait. You don't get anything on account this show. When I say, that means what we do. He pay us. When I take money, take chop. You don't get anything on. No
worry.
Leave no worry.
Hey, it will have changed.
No, leave no worry.
The evil man is coming out. The evil man don't show.
As they enter, don't tell me, and they do come buy me night food. So that I no go fit buy, tell us, say, give us money.
No love.
Which kind of love, Papa? Love, they do hunger, they kill you. They take
Next
love.
week like this, all of them not moving to. You know, say their house they by each other. They don't buy. You know those places where they.
Forget this glass where this one wear now. You know where they come from today? Where enter Lagos today? If you can tell you where they come from. See, he don't laugh. He know. He go on the state. He go check in estate in business where they there. This guy, we're not. Forget this guy. This guy is small.
You think it's flesh and blood that refill it to us?
We know.
No. We
Tell us about Just Not Married again.
Okay.
Tell us about yellow and black just not married.
You think we
That's
don't
the
know?
color.
You think he can come and deceive us here with jackets that is thin?
Without put red for the
Now
color.
wear slippers. Tell us, John.
We don't join red for the color.
So it's a United.
No, this one a winch before.
So Just Not Married, they enter cinema tomorrow.
Finally.
The day
Aye, they put that for body. Are you ginger? You know.
They sweet for body.
How they sweet? If you compare with that sweet.
They do.
Which
You know what
sweet
they go?
again?
When they win,
Sugar.
they do.
Okay.
Easy bit. You know, say when they win award, next time, wherever you are, you go down run, come on. Me go run, come on. Easy, three of us go all run, come on.
For AMVC next year.
All of us go run, come on. From the three areas.
Now we help them all. Nobody for vote for them.
We don't collect the bike from them.
On our behalf. Thank you. Hey, our fellow witchcraft. She did. Thank you. Tell us about Not Just Married, I mean.
So Just Not Married, I don't think I've ever say they enter cinema tomorrow. And the story, they're very different.
Now, family, this thing, family.
Let me family something now. You don't see the trailer.
Because it be like, I see two boys who resemble one another now.
Now, arm robber them be. Tell us about the story of the arm robber.
Well, I'm going to tell you the story. So if I tell you the story now, wait till you go watch again tomorrow.
You see.
Okay, now family tiffin.
So that if they tell you now, you know go feel go cinema. These people are business people.
Don't say you want more.
Fill in the blank.
Fill in the blank space. Okay. Now, make I ask you, you now the from Enugu. Good evening.
You know what? Just Not Married.
Hello.
Hello, Tati.
Hey!
Now you are here first.
Ah, you die!
Now your dress makes sense, I beg.
Oh, thanks you. I know my talents inside, inborn. You know, I'm a rapper, It depends on the time of day. I
As they rap on my TV, does they shake, they shake. You know,
My sister, you will not make heaven.
You think it's easy? You think it's easy? Oh yeah, is it your?
hey, we are being so incredible, so undefiable. You can never try to criticize when you're not in my class. I'm so classic. Classic. Galaxy. That's me, baby.
That's you, baby.
Okay, you know what we're going to do? Between Hannah and Jesse, who you want more give your number?
Is that it?
Between Hannah, Jesse, and Kanye West, who you want more give your number, make them call you.
Now, Jay-Z, that man will say name now. Get to push, say name now.
Yeah, to Kanye, Zerua. Okay, you go that. Okay, if you meet Jesse, which flow you go flow for him? Just give us small, maybe we know.
Hey, do I go give him?
Yeah, but what you go do for Jesse?
Okay, I go tell him, never touch, cause it's untouched. Never see, cause it's unseen. Never nigga rug on it. I'm not a bagger. I'm stepper. This is the baddest. I did rap in the midst of rappers. It doesn't matter whether little or big.
What's this one?
The whole album.
That's why I love it, the full album. Yo, baby. That's you, baby. Good night, baby. Holla. Baby. No,
ask a question.
I mean, they ask you, those what do you feel like for you to be arm robber? Because now you be arm robber for the motor. You join arm robber. Now you then dress wedding gown.
So
tell me, because and then they see you, arm robber go fit you. Arm robber go fit. Because person not go know say, imagine say you carry gun now. Let me tell you. Bella!
No.
Lie down now!
Now, okay.
No! Then maybe come wear short skirt.
You know, say
come wear spaghetti. The guy, spaghetti. All those things where could they show something, bump shot everywhere. Hey! Bella! No! Lie down! The man will say, oh, baby, don't worry.
I'll do anything for you.
Oh, lie.
It's not just to lie.
Is it not just to lie? Where do you want me to lie? Go lie down. Where is your money? My sister, if everywhere. Give me your ATM. I have 4. Which one do you want? Sister, think about that business. You go sell.
Now you provide.
No, we go do Charlie Angel. Now she be going to be one of the angel.
Who gonna be the Charlie?
The matter be go join.
Yes. And then just too funny.
Just too funny go join.
So you know the 3 angels.
You'll be the Charlie.
No.
No, any be
You're not gonna be Charlie.
Any be do Charlie.
Who will come be Charlie now? Because Charlie now they run
Na
things.
Kesolo.
Kesolo.
Kesolo Charlie. Kesolo no
Charlie
season long.
na yes.
Na done. Kesolo na done. Holla back one time.
Okay.
Now tell us about your experience shooting.
Because I'm a producer and I'm cast everybody inside the film.
Okay.
So bringing the film together with my paddy there.
What do you make you think that you will be a good producer?
Because I noticed as I be put things together.
Okay.
My head is a bit very calculative, and I know how to manage. Yes, I know how to manage
You are
people.
a true homemaker.
And
Oh, yo. It's so sweet.
It's a big cook.
He go send us address. Me, you, easy bit.
We go
prevent bash and chapali them. Now only 3 of us.
Chapali go chop the food finish. Only chapali. Now I bomb the food go.
We go knock her door. Judith not go know say.
If chapali chop the food, you go. You not go say for now bomb the thing. Increase. Continue, people.
so I bring them together. Then we come when we first join, but they see the scripts. In our scripts we like it. They're very different. They're very original. And our story where you not go even know say if they come that kind area.
Exactly.
So it always sweet us. Like if you watch the premiere video, it is sweet. And when they ask everybody to make they talk waiting just not married. Waiting the few say be the film. Everybody just say, oh, now maybe 2 girls they fight for 1 boy, or one they fight for 1 girl, or 1 girl we don't marry another man before we come marry another person. We know just
prepare anybody for waiting the film there about.
From Warren, good evening.
Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
Area.
Good evening.
Hey, good evening. How is you?
I'm fine, Nedu.
Talk to us.
Nedu.
Yes.
that drops of money.
Good evening, you too.
How you doing?
Fine.
Nedu, you rap your own now. Don't they see Katin, they rap your own. You never rap your own.
Please don't provoke Nedu to Nedu, calm down. Don't provoke Nedu. Don't provoke Nedu, please. I mean, you want me to rap. Don't provoke us. So the rapist trial.
Rap Muscatia.
Yes.
You don't hear them?
Don't try us.
You don't hear them? Rap
Nedu, rap your own.
Ma tell you, you know say when they do show, we dey because of say we know they like show ourselves, we can't change our name. If you see our name, where we dey answer every show we dey perform.
Yes.
You not go see us, but our face, we know they like when they put our face for poster.
Are you rap? You.
Wait, now make I give you gist.
Now make it in land.
Now give you gist.
Now your gist.
Let me know our gist. More give you gist now. Every time when we dey every show for world everywhere for the world we dey perform. If you see when they go talk say Two-Face, M.I., The Banj, Philo, and others. Now we be the others. Say.
Now we rap. You two talk. Rap. Katin don't rap. You rap.
Not be rap. I don't rap. Give you so. Rap if the motor man. Bakam, it can go. Hala. Good night. Back to you, John. People not always believe that no, well, you know what's in the happy me? What's happy we say? People not know.
I know Anna.
Hey, let's go! We're not talking to you again. Bye-bye. Whoa! So,
Need to talk through it. You do this again.
Like we're saying
before we interrupted.
I can say a good monitoring spirit.
Monitoring spirit from worry.
Oh, by the way, Just Not Married go enter worry tomorrow, so make a watch out.
Just Not Married go then worry
They go
tomorrow.
worry for Lighthouse Cinema.
Lighthouse Cinema.
So, wait,
Yes.
all this, when I go see, you know, say nowadays, when you do film now, you go the waka go greet your people, we come follow you watch the film. When I go do that waka too.
We go do the one with leg enter.
Exactly.
How many places do you think will screen tomorrow?
And tomorrow they screen for Genesis, Palms, they screen for Ozone, Yaba, they screen for Kada Cinema for Bini, they
In
screen
other
for
words, they
Viva
screen
for
for everywhere
Ilorin,
for this Naija.
they screen for Ilorin, they screen for Worry tomorrow, then you go enter
house.
Port Harcourt and the rest from next week.
Which one una go day? Which
We'll go
area?
there for Genesis and Ozone tomorrow.
And Ozone together tomorrow. Which time it is?
What time they start? For morning?
Now 2 shows, in the afternoon and in the night.
Which time in the afternoon?
1 p.m.
We'll go.
Oh no, 1
can
p.m.
go.
tomorrow, Friday.
Yes, 1 p.m.
Then which time again?
Then the last one from 8.
Una go share puff.
Yes,
Popcorn dinner.
My
Popcorn.
brother, which one popcorn? Who popcorn help?
Then they jump popcorn for inside cinema. Now which cinema? Which kind of local cinema they go to do?
When you chop puff.
Where they
You
chop
never go cinema when
popcorn?
they chop
I don't know. They talk about sit down for front. They don't sit down for chair. They sit down for the carpet. Not carpet. They sit
Not
down.
watch and sit down. You can see where serve you.
They do their leg like this.
What are you talking about? Serve you better food.
I bet which cinema I need to know that cinema.
Hey, that's cinema. You there now?
And then they make money. Oh.
They make money.
Because everybody from Ipatuo, Apule, everybody, each Ajangbadi, all of them.
I bet where the cinema I need to go.
No, you know, I do it for street. You are not street. I do it for street. I do it for street.
Asaf, tell us. When you get to talk to us about Just Not Married?
Asaf, you know
Just Not Married.
Yes.
Everything we are supposed to tell you, just not
That's all they talk.
tomorrow. So make sure say you support us and go watch
Making
Just
no
Not
grace.
Married for cinema.
Asaf, you don't bath today.
I never bath.
That's why.
You see why I like Asaf? He dey talk through.
But I use perfume and spray. And wipe. And wipe things.
See the actor inside. See the person where they are supposed to act. Not be this thing when they do so. I tell you, say one day, he go just walk out for road, they mad, they talk to him.
You don't see from away the bab, they go for Come on.
You see, say, I know one talk Beg me. How much you gonna give me? I beg me.
And we'll switch the dinner.
Yes! I hold on now. I hold on for my machine gun. I hold it. But wait, God will go judge you now. Why would not they put we an easy beat? More rap for your film.
The next film, now why not?
Then we'll go do the video.
And this thing won't come be secret, you don't come do now. You don't come open it. You just come open the thing. We won't just surprise you, send on a script.
Oh God! Oh, you're making me cry. Come on with me. Oh God! So that's how we blow. Oh, that's how we blow. Oh God!
Lead road, lead road. Easy big self, lead road.
It's okay.
Ah, Jesus!
Calm down.
Thank you for helping us to give
You go to Thanksgiving in church on Sunday.
Come on down.
Wear your cap back.
Good evening.
It's okay.
Good
Sorry.
on the line.
Sorry, it's oh.
Oh, good evening.
Good night. I'm going to meet and so.
Hello.
Now you're monitoring.
Hey, I am man and woman. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Nedu,
Who talk now?
Nedu, what did they worry yourself?
Well, wait. Now who? Now.
The pikin talk on behalf.
He said what? What do you talk?
I say, Nedu, one name.
What is it?
Now, who talk down and have your problem?
Talk now. Not you. They talk. Talk now.
No,
I they talk now. Nedu, get him.
Fine. Fine.
No, now, even talking now, 145.
145. Panita. In fact, the price don't go up. Go up quick.
Wait, the fuel don't go up and everything don't go up. Don't you wait there with you? What did they do for there?
I'm robbers. I'm robbers.
No, may they catch you for a very bad place.
Asof now, movie director.
I want to ask now, where Katim go since? That one ask.
She go work. She go Italy. She go Italy. Go work with
My
Blessing.
brother, I was walking in the light. I walk. Walking in the light. Walk. Walking in the light. Hey, walking in the light. Oh, shawty wanna walk. Walking. Hey, walking. We're walking in the light of God. Nedu, God be bless us.
You too, sister in the Lord.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How is you? Hi.
How you with you?
How is Guinea?
Nedu,
Eh?
how you dey?
You fine? How you there?
I dey fine.
Who they talk?
Nah, best.
You know, say now easy to recognize you.
Now, Agbef, I know your voice. We don't know your voice now. Agbef, how far now?
How you?
Your wife not born.
They never born.
How many months pregnant your wife? Now 1 year.
10 months, and the next month, you do about count.
My brother, since last year, your wife don't get his belly since last August.
I will call them.
Now, still me one born.
I go show her that.
You gonna do it? Eh?
Nedu, I want to question.
Oh, yeah, ask me.
This is when me I win, say, make a call it God for who's there will come.
My brother, now you get your leg. Any day when you wake up, your spirit lead you, take on Lagos, come.
But to say me I got stay for hotel for 2 days. So,
Who tell you?
I arrange now, and they come.
Now, another show, now be that one, Agbef. Go, wait, your wife dead there.
I'm not there. No,
What?
get behind I dey sleep.
Why your wife dey always dey? Where you dey?
I want that she pray for me, make it bought twist.
Oh, man, she born twins. Katim, kneel down.
Okay.
Mama, please pray.
Agbef, now you me, I want to ask you just one question. Agbef,
Yes?
Agbef, oh.
I dey hear you.
Agbef, oh.
I dey hear you
How many times I'm calling your name?
3 times.
So you even feel only one question. Maybe you get out me things are 145.
Twins.
Now you know that things are 145.
Yes?
Okay. I for you mean within you, between yourself and God and your conscience.
Yes?
I for your kapinwa, you open your mouth and say you want twins.
Ya kape noa, okulu now.
My brother, rethink that your position.
Even your voice don't go down.
At 145, you are looking for twins. Mbondo, you are looking for how to enter a hotel in Lagos and come and sit down. So you need to reorganize your crinkum crankum and you set your priorities in a yes,
In a uvucuvate manner.
thank you.
Yes.
In a prosthesis procedure.
Of Talidon uvulcuvation.
That's it.
Yes. That is the botanical.
Oh, Jesus.
I don't know. Anybody who's looking for twins now, always remember #145.
145 naira now. From 86 naira where you dey.
Hey!
This now go the double.
Hey!
Eh?
One person say you buy, you fill in tank, 30 liters, 4,000 something. People went buy those baby motor that
Normally before, like 7K, they fill my tank.
Oh,
so now na 15,000.
15,000.
Jesus.
Welcome.
Like 15K.
Then you go gauge where you go, they go. You know,
My brother.
they don't come now. We don't waiting for this person.
No, sorry. The Lord is your strength. Na sky. You see, I'm gonna tell you something. I dey talk this thing, bless I don't know how they talk. Witchcraft, una go make money now. Witches, una member dey here. Una go make money. Una get app where people go feel you take the move.
You see all this Taizee? They don't
need ham.
Just call them. You just press send.
For example, una be witch where they for Benin now. You where they watch me now. Yeah, you are a witch. You know yourself. Now, for example, now if person want to travel from Benin come Lagos now, maybe Lagos code Phoebe 145.
Yes.
If you just talk say the code of go.
Yes.
Now 2.
Yes.
You're right. And code of Lagos now 145.
Yes.
If you just say
2
star
yes.
145 star 2
hash.
No, before you press the hash, don't already carry your bag.
Yes.
Hola.
Yes.
So when you press hash, yeah. You don't go where you go. You yourself appear for Jota.
Say, one day.
You don't enter. When I think of them, that app make it there for Android or iOS.
Yes.
It will make money.
Then powered by kerosene. Don't use any other, No, stay with kerosene now.
I beg,
We suppose even do, if we want to support them for this their film, we go just enter China, go think with them to do kerosene gen. Say we go make money.
Give us one row more play now.
Kerosene
For the just give us any row more play.
Who be us?
Three of us.
Okay, you policeman.
Me policeman, okay.
No, say don't master and policeman.
Give Catherine title.
If him be policeman, then she go need to be like prostitute where the policeman they arrest.
Okay. Then him carry the prostitute.
Now him carry the prostitute.
Okay. Now we are about to act my pull my shoe.
When I do well, because this now go determine
Now
that's
our audition be this.
Yeah, that's
Okay, director, tell us what to do.
Director.
Director,
no, you are not the direct person for casting or for audition. No. We
Okay,
don't tell you what
audition.
it now audition be this.
Okay.
No, see, she know what's up. She don't arrange.
Okay, director. Okay, then this one now prostitute should be.
Never enter.
Then now be police officer. All right.
So they put something.
Okay.
Hey, stop there. Stop. Where are you going to?
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, what's the problem now?
What's the problem? What's the problem? You know there's a fuel all this 145 naira now.
Please don't mind.
Lie down.
Eh?
Okay, you don't
woman.
I'm gonna shoot you.
My darling, leave him. You know he's a customer before. I know him.
Oh.
Bello.
You mean the customer?
No, not like
No. Hold on. What are you trying to say?
Sweetie, you're not understanding.
Lie down.
What is he
Lie
doing?
down now.
You're not understanding.
Lie
me.
down now.
He's a customer before.
No, that was before I met
So you brought me through this road to
That was
Cut.
He doesn't die now.
Cut. Is it why you not die?
Why you not die?
Which guy called me that?
He do.
Let's continue. Okay, now.
Action.
Action. Full action.
Pick up.
So you mean you've been doing it?
Pick up. Take 2.
Yes.
Camera rolling. Action.
Okay, hold it there. Hey. Police is talking to
So
you.
you mean you've been doing this thing?
Don't shout at him that way.
Both of you, lie down here.
Okay, why?
Okay, I will shoot you.
Okay, shoot. Nothing happened. Who is it?
You want to watch me?
He's my Romeo.
You see the bullet not enter. You don't mad? I don't shoot myself. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down.
Cut. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We don't get that.
We go watch the video. We'll get back. We have your phone number. You wrote it on the list.
Anybody they say get back.
Tell us now.
Get back. No, they get back. Tell us now.
You get them or you don't get it.
Get it or you don't get it.
No.
They will just look it and say your phone number is on the list, right?
We'll get back. That time
See?
we will not know anything. We'll just say, okay, thanks.
But they're happy.
Yeah,
So they'll get back.
You call ask them, say, can I have your number? They'll say, no, don't worry, we will call you.
have your number already.
Very evil people.
Then when you did, they say, oh, no, I did it. How was it? They'll call me. You say, what did they say exactly? They say I should go.
You know when they pay Katim, when you reach outside, I can't see people they wait, we don't go. You can't say, what are you waiting for? So they ask me to wait. That's how you don't say, Then some people they bold, they will go back and say, you ask somebody else to wait. Don't say, we will call you.
Don't wait. Anyway, that was appreciate all of you now. We don't call us on top of the show today. Double to a little ass-off. In fact, the whole 3 musketeers.
Demola, I battle your swag, your height, your walk. Well, Demola. Now you be Demola.
Maybe now is second.
No, not coming. It's your street name.
Oh, sure, man.
Okay.
What the elders sit down and see? If you like, climb the rock, you can't see it.
So without window, so without for the elders. You are elders.
Ido, Sarate, Ido, now we talk, now him. Now, the crew of Just Not Married. I beg, not forget. They go to your area tomorrow.
Yes.
For Warri, you go there for
Lighthouse Cinema.
Okay.
For Benin, you go there for Kada.
Cinemas.
For Ilorin, you go there for Viva.
Cinemas.
For Lagos, you go there for Ozone and Genesis, the Palms.
tomorrow, all of us go there, then I go see us.
Yeah, then they're excited to go and watch this.
If I come the Palms or Ozone, I go see me and Katim and Easybit and everybody for there. All of us go hang out together. We're going to do our own movie there. Hala. Katim, use rap, take Colotos for that video. Rap, can you rap? Oh, yeah. Give us beats.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.